Cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana. The go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana. Shopping look. I'm just doing basic look so we can go. So I'm gonna take this Derma Blend powder. Make sure your eyebrows is dry before you put this on. Once you apply your brow gel is only gonna make it like hard. I'm about to apply this Derma Blend setting powder. My beauty blender is damped. I'm gonna put a little bit in here. My beauty blender is damped, y'all, so I'm just gonna take a little bit. What I was just priming my face with is this Fenty moisturizer. I really like this moisturizer. The skin is different, like a different type of glow when you use that. And then I moisturize my face and I just go ahead and I take my Pore Professional to kind of blur out my pores. It really helps because if I don't use this, my pores will definitely show. But sometimes I still feel like they show, honestly. So what I'm gonna do is I put it on there, and I'm gonna tap this in instead of. So yeah, this is my first time recording on this camera, y'all. Quality. Oh, and I'm selling my camera that I did the yellow makeup on. So that's the quality of that camera. It's Canon T5i. I upgraded to this one. So I got the Mark IV and then the 90D. So both of them are really good cameras. It's like this one is like a lower version of the Mark IV. So yeah, then I'm gonna take some, since we're in Miami and I don't wanna get oily, I just do it anyway. My Pore Professional, because I feel like this is like milk magnesia. I don't want chin. Already there. I don't know why it's not as hot as I thought it would be. Like I thought it was gonna be like burning the fuck up out here, like better than Chicago weather. I thought we was gonna be in this big drenching, but no, it's like cool, like how at night should be, almost. But right now it's hot, but it's not as hot as I thought. Like cool hot. Imagine this trip was last minute, and we booked an Airbnb. We looked at several, but I don't know, for some reason I just wanted this one. The pictures of it, and for y'all say I did not read the reviews. I never really read the reviews. I always look at the picture, and pictures just can be deceiving. But I'm like, not what I paid for. Like, what the fuck? The tables, okay, that look the same. But this, like, what the fuck is it? It's like a stain on that damn couch right there. Y'all. This one is really nice. I'm gonna put pictures up here because y'all gotta see how it looked. And y'all probably would have picked it too, but I'm pretty sure y'all probably would have read the reviews. But like I said, I'm shaking this up as much as I can. It looks so beautiful. I don't know, it's all white, and I thought that I don't know, I love all white. So I thought I was gonna be in there like, yeah, I'm gonna bring my camera. We finna get the filming up in here. It's gonna be all white and pure. The video quality finna be bomb. But it fooled me, bitch. Because it was not how it looked, okay? When we got up in there, I'm like, no. I told my boyfriend, we need to get the fuck up out of here. But I'm gonna put pictures, on this side, whatever side, I'm gonna put pictures on. And I'm gonna show y'all how it looked. So, and I'm also going to link where we stayed, so don't book it. bad. She's definitely a scammer, so don't do it. Y'all don't want to stay there. It's not how the picture was. It's deceitful. It had me fucked up. Like, I was not going. I sat on that couch. I was not going. My boyfriend, he was in the bed, y'all. But baby, I was not taking a shower in there. The shower was getting like stopped up. Like, somebody please tell me how her name went from Mary to Jenny. Like, I just want to know. When I just talking to Mary, why is it Jenny? All of a sudden that they canceled the reservation. Like, that's just dumb as hell. Then I said, girl, we left already. Then she told me some solo apartment don't need cleaning. That's disgusting. Like, not saying that I have COVID, but I could have COVID. I could have anything, and you not gonna clean the apartment for the next person to come in. Like, that's just trifling. And I think that's what she did before we came in, because you saw them dirty popsicles in the refrigerator. Like, girl, had me all the way fucked up. I had to go. I was getting mad, and it wasn't even my money that paid for the Airbnb. Okay, my boyfriend told me to pick it, and he was gonna pay for it. It's his money, but I'm mad because it's mine too. It's my money too. And they do us like this. Like, dang. Then she had the nerve. I'm gonna post a conversation getting mad because we could put somebody else in there. Like, trying to rush me out there. Like, no, I'm gonna find another place before you put me out this bitch, because we not gonna be stranded. So yeah, we trying to get that refund back. Okay? If not, we gonna file with that bank. But they just had us fucked up, y'all. Like, don't look at pictures. Don't be like me. When you book Airbnb, I don't think we book Airbnb no more. He only said like if we go with like big people and get like a mansion, but child, no, don't do it. Get you a hotel beforehand. If you're trying to do something spontaneous, please look at the reviews or something. I don't know, but that was not it. And I just really thought that it just looked pretty, didn't it, babe?
Yeah, it was supposed to be.
It was just so pretty, but
it was supposed to be way back then.
Then we paying for Ubers. Like, that's $100 Ubers here and there, back. Like, man, it's I don't know. It just never go as planned. It is here for that. Look at that foundation though. Look at it. Full coverage. I did put a lot on, but I'm gonna spread it out. And I feel like I said, I feel like the orange concealer kind of helped. I'm not really going underneath the eyes because I'm just pouncing this. Concealer I'm going in with is this number 5 concealer from, what's this, Benefit. It's the Cakeless Concealer, y'all. I want to tell y'all, this is real good. I'm only putting this in the corner because it's real light. It don't crease at all, y'all. It's actually really good. Like, this brush is a 4-2. Like, this is how your face should be looking if you want to be snatched, okay? So I'm going to tap that in. My camera died, so yeah, my face is bright right now, but that's because I went in with my beauty bakery. I like extra coverage, okay? I like that bright highlight. Full coverage foundation, and it's in the shade 430. look on together anyway. Face snatch, but this lace is not giving it. Okay, y'all, this is my favorite brush for contouring the nose. This is a Morphe E62. I'm gonna take the same powder. Well, my nose has been running ever since I be on that plane. The same Fenty powder. I always bring these. This is in 460, and I'm going to contour my face. I'm gonna apply blush right now. We'll do the blush. Yeah, I wanted to do this blush. This is from Juvia's Place, and I'm taking, and I still got the powder on, so ooh. Blush that I took was, oops, okay, I'm always scratching something. The Juvia's Place Volume 2, I think, yeah, the Volume 2 blush, quad, and I like went crazy on the blush. Okay, I think I'm gonna add a line, just a line on my eyes. So I'm gonna put mascara on. I just did this like smoked out straight liner real quick. Think it look cute, honestly. I'm gonna go in under the eye with blank canvas. Now I'm about to put my mascara at the bottom. I think I'm gonna put double on, but try my best not to get none. Yes, come on, under eye. So actually, I'm gonna put 2 coats. Okay, let me show y'all how this lip finna go. This lip finna go bomb. Yeah, it looks like this. And then I'm gonna clean up the outsides up, and I'm gonna put sand. For the powder. Okay, so now it's time for gloss lashes, and then we're done. My lip gloss. Let me see them. Oh, I'm putting on brown. I'm putting the brown on. I'm about to, I don't want highlight, honestly. I'm gonna spray my face, but I'm gonna wait for this to dry. I just want highlight on my nose.
Okay.
You see? Betty Boop.